Hello friends, welcome back. Thank you for coming over to watch me for a few minutes. In today's video we're going to be trying for the first time with you the new Charlotte Tilbury. It's called a Quick Easy Makeup Pretty Fresh. It's 3-in-1. It's an easy eye wand, an easy lip and cheek wand, and an easy highlighter wand. So it's actually a 4-in-1. And if you hear my voice a little bit off, it's because I'm still recovering from a cold. That's why I've been out for a few days and I haven't been able to upload any videos. But I'm back and very excited to try this product. Now, most of my face is done already. I already have my foundation, concealer, and bronzer on. The foundation is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. Mine is in the shade 2 Cool. I don't have a Charlotte Tilbury concealer, so I'm using the Dior Forever Skin Correct. Mine is 1N if I'm not mistaken, 1.5N. And I am, for bronzer, I'm using from Charlotte Tilbury the Airbrush Bronzer, the shade 3, which is pretty dark, but I'm very light on the hand and it came out really pretty, so I'm happy. Oh, and for powder, I used today the Wingauss Translucent powder, which is really nice. So let's get on with the products. Let's open this up. I'm going to swatch them in the back of my hand. I like the way it looks, very similar to her other packaging, and it reveals, it has a nice decent mirror, a size mirror, and it has the products down here. I think this is really good for traveling. If the products are good, they'll be excellent to take them on my next trip. So the easy eye wand, let's take that out first. It just pops out. This is Pretty Fresh. Oh, maybe that's what it is. Pretty Fresh. Yeah, maybe that's the name of the trio. Pretty Fresh. There was another one called Date Night, and the other one I remember the name, but I picked one, Pretty Fresh. Okay, let's swatch it in the back of my hand. So this is the eyeshadow, or the one for the eyes. This is what the lip and cheek wand looks like. It's like a peachy tone, really pretty. And here is a highlighter. I do like Charlotte Tilbury's highlighters for the most part. I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm just going to apply it directly on the lid. I'm only going to use this product, but I think it'll be nice as well if I have like a nude or a light brown matte and apply it on the crease and then use this on the inner half because it is really light. I think it's a really pretty shade. It's very light, very subtle, but it's perfect for like a natural looking makeup, which is what I love. I prefer. I lean towards very light makeup. But if you want to add more color, of course you could always use a darker color on the crease. But this is good for like an everyday look or for traveling and you don't have to carry that much makeup. Yeah, it doesn't have a lot of color. Yeah, it looks like almost like I have nothing on. It is very light, but it applies well. It's not greasy, it's not sticky. You could also use it maybe like an eye primer, but by itself it's hardly visible. So if that's something that you don't like, then that's something to keep in mind. I don't mind, but it is very light, so I could use it probably like an eye primer and add some shadow on top. Now I'm going to go into the lip cheek and try it out. I think this one is more pigmented. It looks more pigmented. I'm going to drag just straight to the cheek a little bit and then spread it with my finger. Again, I think this one is going to be better with the finger. So let me pick a little bit more. I think it blends really well. It looks like very natural, like I'm flushing. I think the next I'm going to try it with a brush to see if it makes a difference. I'm going to use a Cheek Pro from Sonia G. And I think I'm going to go straight to the wand. Maybe that's not the right way to do it, but let's play around. Okay, it does pick up product. But I think like it picks up product, but I think it blends well better with a finger. There you go. I think it is very pretty. On camera it looks a little bit more brighter than in person. Maybe add a little bit here on the nose to have like that flush look, like that sun-kissed look. Yep, it works. I like it. Now we're gonna go and try it on the lips and see how that goes. You could go as light or as intense as you want. I'm gonna go a little bit more intense. It's matte, but it's really soft. It feels like powder, but it's not powdery. It feels really soft, really light. I would like to apply lip liner, but the lip liners I have from Charlotte Tilbury are not good colors for this. So I'm going to see if I have one from Lisa Eldridge. I think this color is pretty close. Let me swatch it. Yeah, I think it's gonna be really close, because that red one is from Charlotte Tilbury and it's not gonna work with the lip product. But I think the one from Lisa Eldridge in the shade Dragon is gonna be good. I'm not saying you need it, but I think it'll be something extra and very nice. So again, you could go very light, very natural looking, or you could do a little bit more intense, more pigmented. I think it works perfect. It's a tiny bit darker, but I think it goes perfect. Alright, so now let's try now the highlighter. I'm gonna try it with my finger and apply it here on the high points of my face, like right here. I'm thinking another way to use these products are over like dry blush, or I mean a powder blush or a powder highlighter. But if you want to keep it simple, then skip that step and just apply these products directly. And I think it is a gorgeous highlight. Really pretty. It's not accentuating my texture, and it looks very natural. There's nothing natural about it, but it looks natural. I haven't seen other videos reviewing this product. I know that there might be a few out there, but I haven't checked any of them because I want it to be as open-minded as possible and not base my opinions on what I've seen in other videos, you know? So it might not work for other people, and some people might love it, some people might hate it. I might put some here on my brow bone just to give me that extra highlight. It might not work for some people, but I like it because I do love natural looking makeup. What do you guys think? Very pretty. Last step is mascara. I'm not gonna wear, actually 2 more steps I'm gonna do. It's not a new mascara. It is Push Up Lashes. It's not my favorite mascara, but it's the only Charlotte Tilbury mascara I have, so this is the one I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna finish up with the airbrush setting spray. So I'm gonna apply mascara and come back. So what are my thoughts about this new product? I like it. I think it's perfect for traveling. It's very compact to have 5-in-1, 4-in-1, and one little, you know, little box. I think the eyeshadows are, it's a very light color. It's not highly pigmented, but I like it. It looks very natural, like I have nothing on. The lip product is the more intense of the 3, and I like it. And with eyeliner, an extra step, but with an eyeliner I think it gives it a better look. The blush, the cheek product was really nice, which is the same as the lip. It looks really nice on the face, and the highlighter is just beautiful, very beautiful highlight, very natural looking. So it's perfect for light makeup, the way that I like it. So if you like light makeup, then you'll love this product. And again, it's very portable. You could take it anywhere with you. No need for brushes. So this is my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna leave links of everything that I've used today, things that I've shown and not shown. I'm gonna leave everything down below in the description box. I want to thank you guys for coming over. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time.